friends, welcome back to yet another project. Today's project is a table runner. I am using here two colors and I will be doing this in parts. So white portion I will be doing separate and the green portion. So today we will see how to make this green motif. For this project I am using cotton thread of size 10 and a hook of size 2 mm. So let's begin. To start with, we will be doing a slip knot and a foundation chain of 6 chains. We will do a slip knot into the very first chain and we will work into this round. So we will work 10 single crochets. First a chain 1, returning chain, and then 10 single crochets. So here I have done 10 single crochets. Slip stitch into the very first single crochet. And our first round is done. Now in the next round we will be working 2 double crochets in each of these single crochets. The first one we will be doing a chain 3. So this chain 3 will be our first double crochet, and into the very same space we will do one more double crochet. Into the next space we will work 2 double crochets. So in each stitch we will be doing 2 double crochets, so total of 20 double crochets. I have completed 20 double crochets, so 2 double crochet in each of the single crochets. I will just join into the very first single double crochet, that is the chain 3. So on top of the chain 3 we will do a slip stitch. I have done a slip stitch and joined the round. So our second round is complete with 20 double crochets. For the next we will be doing chain 4 and a triple crochet cluster. So insert into the same space, pull through 2, again pull through 2, yarn over twice, again insert into the same space, pull through 2 loops, again through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is our first cluster. Chain 2. Into this next space we will be working the same cluster, but this time with a triple crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over twice, insert into the same space, pull through. You have 5 loops on your hook, pull through 2 loops, again through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over twice, insert into the same space, pull through. We will be repeating this 3 times. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, pull through all the 4. So our triple crochet cluster is done. Chain 2. The same thing we will be repeating throughout. That is triple crochet cluster. So here we have reached the end of the round 3. We have done triple crochet clusters into each of the double crochets with a chain 2 in between. And we will be having 20 clusters. Chain 2, and we will do a slip stitch into the top of the cluster. Pull through, again pull through. So our third round is done. So here we have 20 clusters. We'll be dividing this round into 4 portions. The first, starting from here, we will be counting 6 crochet clusters, and we'll just mark that. Leave the 4 clusters and into the 5th one again put a marker, and this side also you will be having 6 clusters. So opposite sides you will be having 6 clusters, and this sides you will be having 4 clusters. We will be working only in these 6 clusters. So first we will be working on one side. After completing, we will be coming back to the. Now we will be working on top of these clusters only. So the space where we join, we will be doing a shell stitch, that is chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, again 2 double crochets into the very same space. Then again chain 2. Into the next we will be working a V stitch, that is double crochet, chain 2, again a double crochet. Again chain 1, we will work 3 more V stitches over the top of clusters. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Again chain 1, another V stitch, chain 1, one more V stitch. In this last space, just remove the marker, chain 2, will work a shell stitch. So first round of the design pattern is ready. Now we'll just turn the work. We'll do 2 slip stitches. So we have reached into the chain 2 space. Here we will be working a shell stitch. For that, chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, again 2 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. So our shell stitch is ready. Now we'll do chain 1, 4 double crochets into each of these V stitches. A chain 2, 4 double crochet again. So we have worked 4 double crochet sets in each of these V stitches with chain 2 in between. Now chain 1 and work a shell stitch into the shell. So here I completed the second pattern round and started off with the third, did 2 slip stitches and did a shell over the shell. Now for the third round we will be doing chain 2 and 5 double crochets over the 4 double crochet set. So you can increase in any of the double crochets. Only thing is you will need 5 double crochets. So 5 double crochet, chain 2, again 5 double crochets. So you will be increasing in one of the stitches in the 4 double crochet set. So here I completed the third pattern round with 5 double crochets on top of 4 double crochet sets. and a shell over the shell. Now for the fourth round, I have turned the work, did 2 slip stitches and worked a shell over the shell. Chain 2. Again we will be increasing in one of these stitches as we need 6 double crochets. So you can increase as usual in any of the stitches. Only thing is you need 6 double crochets. You will be making 6 double crochets on top of the 5 double crochet set with chain 2s in between. So here I completed 4th round with 6 double crochets on top of 5 double crochets, chain 2 in between and a shell over the shell. This corner and this corner we will be repeating the same thing, that is shell inside the shell. So these 2 stages I won't be showing from the next row onwards. I'll just start from this portion. So this will be our repetitions on all the rows. That is, we have to first slip stitch to the chain 2 space, chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So this is a shell we will be repeating on both the sides. Chain 2 and we will be working 7 double crochets over this 6 double crochets. So we will do 1 increase in this set. You can increase on any of these stitches. Only thing is you will need to have 7 double crochets. So here we have 7 double crochets, chain 2, again 7 double crochets on this set of 6 double crochets, chain 2, again 7 double crochets. So here we have reached the 6th row. In this we have repeated the shell in this inside the shell, chain 2. Now over the 7 double crochet set we will be working 8 double crochets. So 1 stitch we will be increasing. Again chain 2. So we will repeat this same thing till we reach here, that is 8 double crochet, chain 2, 8 double crochet, chain 2, 8 double crochet, again chain 2 and shell inside the shell. So we will meet after completing this round, that is our 6th row, and completing the shell of the 7th row. So we have reached row 7, did a shell inside the shell. Now we will do chain 4, and we will skip the first 2 stitches of the 8 double crochets. Into the 3rd we will be working a double crochet. So we have left the first 2 stitches of the 8 double crochet set, and into the 3rd we worked a double crochet, and into the next 6 we will be working double crochets. Work 5 more double crochets, total 6 double crochets. Four, 5, 6. And into this chain 2 space we will work 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2, and the third one, all 3 into this chain 2 space. Now again 6 double crochets will work. 1, the sixth one. Now we will just leave these 2 double crochets unworked. Chain 3, and into this space we will work 1 double crochet, chain 2, again into the same space 1 more double crochet, a V-stitch. So here we work 6 double crochets, chain 3 double crochets and 6 double crochets. So total 15 double crochets, chain 3 and a V-stitch in the chain 2 space. Again we will repeat this. So chain 3 and 6. Again we will skip the last 2. We won't work on these 2 double crochets. Instead we will do chain 4 and work a shell over the shell. Have worked a shell over the shell. We have reached the 8th row of our pattern round. Chain 1. So we will work a shell in the chain 4 space. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Again chain 1. Now we will work 11 double crochets. We will be skipping the first and last 2 double crochets. So we will not work in this, not in this, and in the third we will work double crochet. So we will work 11 double crochets. We have done 11 double crochets. We will skip the last 2 double crochets, chain 3, and in this V-stitch on the top of the first double crochet we will work 3 double crochets. So insert and we will work 3 double crochets in the same space. So in the same space we work 3 double crochet, chain 5, and again work 3 double crochets on the top of the second double crochet of the V-stitch. We'll just repeat what we did here. That is 11 chain 3, 11 double crochet, chain 1, shell stitch, chain 1 and shell. So here I have completed 8th row, chain 3, 11 double crochets, chain 1, a shell, chain 1 and again shell. Now for the 9th row I have done the shell, again chain 1, shell in the shell, chain 3. Now we will work 7 double crochets over this. So we will be skipping the first and last as we did in the previous row. So skip the first 2 and into the third we will be working double crochets. So 7 double crochets we will be doing, 1 each in next 7. 4. So we have 2 more stitches. We'll just leave them. Do a chain 3. Now we'll work increase into all these 3 double crochets. So 2 double crochet in each of the next 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and we'll work 5 double crochets in the chain 5 space. Three, 4 and 5. Chain 1, again 6 double crochets. So 2 each in each of the double crochets. Again chain 1 and we'll just repeat this. That is 7 double crochet, chain 3, shell, chain 1 and shell. So here I completed the rest of the 9th row, that is after completing the chains and 6 double crochets, we did a chain 3, 7 double crochets, chain 3, shell and a shell again. Now for the 10th row I did the shell, chain 2, again shell in the shell. So from next line onwards we will be repeating this, that is shell, chain 2 and shell. So on both sides we will be doing that shell, chain 2 and shell. So that will be our border for rest of the pattern. Now chain 3, again skip the first and last 2 stitches and we will be working 3 double crochets. One each. So here we skip first 2 and the last 2. Chain 3 again. This time we will be increasing in this set. So that is, we'll have to work 7 double crochets over the 6 double crochets. So 3, 2. In the third one we'll increase 4, 5 and 6, 7 double crochets. So here we have worked 7 double crochets on top of these 6 double crochets. Now chain 3, DC on double crochet on the double crochet, chain 1, again double crochet on top of double crochet, again chain 1. This will be repeating on all the 5 stitches, that is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So 5 double crochets we will be having here with chain 1 spaces in between. So this is how it will look. Again chain 3 and 7 double crochets on top of 6 double crochet. So any one of the stitch will have 2 double crochets instead of 1. Total 7 double crochets will be there. So we'll just repeat this and meet after completing row 10 and the shells of row 11. So here I completed row 10. Now for the row 11, again chain 3, 3 DC over these 3 double crochets, one each on top of each of the double crochets. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, increase in the 7 double crochet set, 1, 2. So we'll get 8 double crochets on top of this 7 double crochet set. So I increased in between, so 8 double crochets on top of 7 double crochets. Again chain 3, double crochet on top of double crochet, chain 2, double crochet on top of double crochet, again chain 2. We'll repeat this 5 times, total 5 times. So on top of all the 5 double crochets with chain 2 spaces. This is how it will look. 5 double crochets with chain 2 in between. Again repeat chain 3, 8 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. So we'll just repeat what we did on this side. And we'll meet after completing row 11 and 2 shells of row 12. So here I completed row 11, 8 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 shells with chain 2 space. And into the row 12 I did 2 shells, chain 3. We'll do 2 double crochets on top of the first double crochet of the chain 3 double crochet set, chain 2, skip the next double crochet and into the third double crochet work 2 double crochets. Chain 3. Now you will decrease the first 2 stitches. So yarn over. You should not complete the double crochet. You will have 2 loops left. Again yarn over and insert into the next space. So you have 4 loops, pull through 2 loops. You will have 3 loops and pull through all the 3 together. So we have reduced or decreased the stitch. So made 2 stitches into 1. Now 4 double crochets into the next 4 double crochets. Three, 4. Now again the last 2 will be decreasing. So half of the double crochet, again yarn over and insert into the next space, half double crochet. That is, you won't be completing the double crochet. Then pull through all the 3 together. Chain 3, DC on top of double crochet, chain 3. This time we'll have 3 chains in between the double crochets. Double crochet on top of the 5 double crochets with chain 3 space in between. This is how it will look with chain 3 spaces, 5 double crochets. Again chain 3. We'll decrease these 2 stitches into 1. So insert, yarn over and insert as you do for double crochet. Once you'll pull, you won't complete that double crochet. Instead again yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull through 2 loops, again pull through all the 3 loops together. 4 double crochets, 1 each in the next 4 double crochets. So now we will have 6 double crochets here on top of the 8 double crochets. Again decrease. So we have 6 double crochets here. Again chain 3, 2 double crochets on top of the first double crochet, chain 2, skip the next and into the last work 2 double crochets. Again repeat the shells. So here I completed row 12 and did 2 shells of row 13. Again chain 3, two DCs in between these two DCs, that is 2 double crochets, chain 7, again 2 double crochets in between these 2 double crochets. Chain 3, and again we will be decreasing the first and last 2 stitches. So insert, yarn over, pull through, again insert into the next, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through all the 3. Again 2 double crochets in the next 2. We'll decrease the next 2 stitches to 1 through all 3. Chain 3. Now we'll work 3 double crochets on top of each of these double crochets. Three, chain 3, again 3 double crochet on top of this double crochet, all 3 in the same space on top of double crochet. So we work 3 double crochet on top of each of the 5 double crochets with chain 3 spaces in between. I will just repeat chain 3, do a decrease on top of the next 2, two double crochets on the next 2 stitches, 1 each, then again reduce the last 2 stitches. Chain 3, 2 double crochet on top of the next 2 double crochets, chain 7, again 2 double crochets on top of the double crochets, again repeat the shells. So here I have completed row 13 and started off with row 14, 2 shells with chain 2 spaces in between. Now we'll do chain 3, we'll decrease these 2 stitches to 1 stitch, pull through, again insert into the next stitch, pull pull through and make it a one single stitch. Chain 3 and into the fourth chain, just hold like this and you can see the fourth chain. In that you will be working DC, a double crochet, chain 3 and again a double crochet. So that full thing you will be working in the fourth chain, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. Again chain 3, now you will make all these together. So insert, pull through 2, again yarn over, insert, pull through 2, again yarn over. So I am going to make a cluster with 4 double crochets together. Chain 3, 5 double crochets on top of these 3 double crochets. 1, 2 in the same space, 1 in the next double crochet and 2 in the third double crochet. So total 5 double crochets. Again chain 3. You will repeat this in all the next 4 sets of 3 double crochet. So 5 double crochet in each of the next 3 sets with chain 3 space in between. So we have repeated 5 double crochet on top of 3 double crochets. So 5 times we got that with chain 3 spaces in between. Again chain 3 and we'll make a cluster on top of this. Just 4 double crochet cluster. So insert, pull through, yarn over and pull through twice, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Again it is you will be doing uncompleted half double crochets. So you will be working only the half portion of the double crochets. Now you have 5 loops, pull through all the 5. Again chain 3. Combine these 2 stitches to one. Chain 3. Double crochet on top of the 4th chain. Chain 3. Again double crochet into the same space. Chain 3. Combine the 2 stitches together. Again repeat the shells. So we are entering into our last round. Repeated the 2 shells. Chain 3. Double crochet on top of this. Chain 3. Double crochet on top of the next double crochet. Chain 3. We will be working a triple crochet cluster into this chain 3 space. So yarn over twice, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert into the same space, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over twice, pull through all the 3. So 3 triple crochet cluster we are doing. Chain 5. Now do a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Insert and do a slip stitch. Again chain 2. We'll do one more triple crochet cluster. 3 triple crochet cluster. Again chain 3, do a double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 3, again double crochet on top of the double crochet. So this set will be repeating in all the chain spaces between these sets. So chain 3. Now we'll make a cluster of these 5 stitches. So insert into the first stitch, pull through, uncompleted half double crochets we will be doing 5 times. Each time you will be pulling through 2 loops. Now we have 6 loops, we will pull through all the 6 together. Chain 3. So we will repeat this set of stitch, that is a cluster, triple crochet cluster. So yarn over twice. Three triple crochet cluster we are doing. Chain 5, slip stitch into the third chain, again chain 2 and a 3 triple crochet cluster. 3, 5 double crochet cluster. So this time we will be inserting into each of the 5 stitches. 5 double crochet cluster. Pull through all 6. So we'll just repeat this and I'll meet you after completing the last shell. So here I completed the round. Cluster, double crochet cluster on top of the 5 double crochets, joined them together and made one single stitch. Chain 3, 3 triple crochet clusters, chain 5, a slip stitch on top of the third chain, again chain 2 and cluster. So in this manner I just did with all the chain 3 spaces in between. Completed. Now we'll just end this side with a chain 1, cut the yarn. So one part of this pattern we have done. Now to work the other side, we'll be repeating the same steps as we did onto the other side. So let's see how to start it. So we had marked the stitches. We'll start from this side. So we'll join with a slip knot. And do a shell into the same space. Chain 2. We'll do a V stitch into the next 4 stitches. That is top of next 4 clusters. So the beginning shells will be starting with chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and the shells which we work in the middle we will be doing with 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. So we'll just repeat the same steps, that is from row 2 to 15 of the pattern set on this side also. So our green portion of the table mat will just come. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, Please do like, share and subscribe. Until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.